Wow, so many bubbles. You like bubbles?
Yes. Bubble. Mommy. Yes.
Wow, nice.
Nice bubbles.
You like to play with the bubbles?
Yes. Bubbles. 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 Bubbles.
You like bubbles?
Yes. Pop, 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 pop. Big bubbles.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Manshu's World. ఈ రోజు వీడియోలో నా డాటర్ డైలీ లెర్నింగ్ నోట్బుక్ మీతోటి షేర్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎలా తనతోటి నేను ఈ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ వర్క్షీట్స్ అన్నీ చేపిస్తాను మీతోటి డైరెక్ట్గా చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో మంచు, షల్ వి స్టార్ట్ నౌ?
Yes, mommy.
Next, let's move on to next page. Now you have to find out the odd one out. Find the odd one out. Manshu, tell me which one is the odd one here? Just circle it or draw it.
This.
No. Pay attention. Yes.
Draw it.
Choose one color. Choose one color, beta.
Brown.
Take it.
Hold this one.
Tell me which one is the odd one.
This.
Good girl. Good job. Okay. Then, which is the odd one here?
This.
Good girl. Circle it.
Okay.
Small circles, beta. Which one is the odd one here?
Ikra.
That one? Yes. You're right. Good job. It's okay. Which one is the odd one?
No.
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 Be concentrate.
Idi.
Yes. Slow circles. Small circles. Which one is the odd one here?
This.
No. Pay attention and watch. Right side, right arrow mark, right arrow mark. Where is the left arrow mark? Pay attention. Good. No. Yes. Circle it. Small circles. Which one is odd one here?
This.
Good girl. Circle it. Good girl, beta. Let's move to the next page. Now what you have to do, you have to find capital B and small b. Circle it, yeah, draw it. Just find, beta. Move on to next page. Now you know, Manshu, what to do here. You have to join the numbers. Do you know how to join?
Yes.
Choose one color. You want to do with the pencil? Okay, do with the pencil. Join.
Okay.
Good job. What comes after 4? Good. After 5? Good job. After 6? Good job. After 7? Good girl. After 8? Good girl. Don't look at me. You just do yourself. After 9? Good job. 1 0?
1 0.
10.
10.
Wow. After 10?
11.
Good job.
After 11. 1
12.
12.
Good job. Pay attention. After 14, 12, 13?
13. 14.
Good job. Pay attention. After 14? Good job.
15.
16.
16.
Yes.
17.
Good.
18.
Good.
19.
Hey, good job. Now, which color do you want to take, Manshu? Choose only one color. Do it with that one color. What is this letter? Match this. Capital F.
Small.
Good girl. Joint. B. Concentrate. What is this letter?
G.
Capital G.
Capital G. Small G.
Very small G. Good. Attention. What is this letter? Capital J. Very small J. Here. Joint. Good girl. What is this letter?
K.
Good. Very small K. Very small K. And match. Which shape is this, Manshu? Which shape? Good girl. And match with, count them and match with the number, beta. Count them. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Where is 5 here?
Equal. Here.
Good job. Match it. Pay attention. Count these circles.
1, 2, 3.
Next, move on to next page now. What you have to do here, you have to opposites. Up, down, full glass, empty glass. You have to match these opposites. Do better. Take one color and match it. Choose one color. What is this? Up. What is this? Down. Good girl. Now next one. Come to the next.
Full. Empty.
Full glass, empty glass. Good job. Happy?
Happy. Sad.
Match it. Good job. To the next one. Day,
Day.
sun,
Sun.
night.
Night. Moon.
Good. Match it. వావ్. నా వీడియో ఈరోజు ఇక్కడితో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చుంటుంది అని. మీకు కొన్ని ఐడియాస్ వచ్చుంటాయి మీ పిల్లలకి డైలీ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ చేయించడానికి. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel Manshu's World for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. You like bubbles?
Bubble. Catch it.
Here, here. Here, beta.
Bye.
Manshu, look here. There are so many here. Manshu, here. Manshu, here are so many. Manshu.
Everyone, bye.
Look here and say, beta.
Bye.